All right, so here's my security horror story. Once upon a time, I was leading an AppSec team, and me and two other guys were actually in an engagement with their InfoSec team, where we were going to try to get something, malicious to occur right with their services, either remote code execution or just any sort of compromise, access, etc., like unauthorized. So my team's trying for a bit. I didn't really have a ton of time, so we get on to the last day of the engagement. We're supposed to present on Monday. It's Friday. So we're on the last day of the engagement, so I spent some time and I attack the thing that everybody has access to externally from a client-facing portal for this vendor, and that's the file upload tool. So anyone on the internet can upload files to any other client's repositories of these files, and then the client that we're selling the software to would download those files, and in their browser they'd open them and they'd download them. So I basically took a look at all the files that were accepted and tried to embed malicious code into every type of file. A lot of them were successful, and so obviously we wrote about it, we brought it up to them, and they were very intent that it was not an issue, right? Um, they said that the client is most likely going to have antivirus, right, that will catch it or something. And then they asked if, oh, like, why isn't this thing that we're paying for catching this? Like, it's catching all these other file types. And it just, it didn't work with these file types. So then they were like, okay, well, we're already paying for this thing. They'll probably have some antivirus too, so it's okay. And it's not executing on our servers in the cloud, so it's fine. Uh, it's just when the client downloads it. So that's my security horror story, and hope you sleep tight.